How to transfer Roblox account to another device. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, head over to your Play Store and search for Roblox. Install the Roblox application in your new device. Once it's installed, tap on to play and you will see a page like this. Under here, as you already have an account and you are willing to transfer your account to a new device, tap on to login. Here, enter your email, username, or your phone number. Then tap on password. Once done, tap on to login. And if your credentials are correct, that way you can get logged into your Roblox account, meaning that you just have transferred your Roblox account to a new device. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.